boys. Those are headlights on, aren't they, Scotty?
Yeah, they are.
And the headlight doors are up.
Yep.
Beautiful.
One's a little saggy.
That's okay. We have minor adjustments.
Yeah, I mean it's.
Well, there's also no.
Oh, there we go.
There it went.
Okay, yeah. Which we knew might happen, so that's.
Yeah,
that's
we
not
just
a big
got some
deal.
minor adjustments.
Yep.
I forgot those are electric, not.
So
Vacuum anymore.
the key is off, everybody. So I am now in run. The door jar light comes on. Off. Door jar light turns off. So we have constant power to the dash when we should have keyed power. So I need to go back in and chase that. But our high beams are on. Where's the high beam switch at? Oh, getting to that's going to be a pain in the dick right now. So I'll mess with that in a bit.
Yeah.
But I turned our lights off, but our doors didn't go down.
And yeah.
All right, so Scotty will mess with that in a bit. We got to fix this too. This thing's...
Which one?
It's wallered out on the light switch.
Okay, yeah.
So let me turn the lights back on.
Can I ask a question?
On.
Or is that not allowed in your video?
Oh, hold on, I'm explaining.
Okay.
Now, the key. Ooh, look at that. We had tack signal. 500 RPM, that's correct. So, that was good. We still have to tighten up some stuff over there, boys. But 57 degrees for oil temp and water temp. That sounds about right for ambient.
Yeah.
Our horn still doesn't work. We'll get to that later.
It's because of the steering wheel.
Oh, yeah. We already discussed that. So, that's some pretty good progress. Our headlights are still on, huh?
Yeah.
All right, and I have the switch. Or no.
Your high beams are on. But
There we go. I just
All the
pushed
lights
it in.
are off.
All right, I just pushed in the switch by hand. That hurt. Okay. So I'm gonna have to unhook the battery to chase this, but we got it. I went through. We found our issues. Whew, and our wipers worked too.
Yes.
What? Oh, they were on a second ago. Don't tell me not to do it. I'm gonna do it anyway. Well, they worked. You can see.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
So we got to chase that out too. Let me turn the key off. All right. Oh, look at you guys looking all pretty.
Well, one of us.
thank you.
Oh, God, boys. All right, so license plate light, good to go. Tail lights are on, good to go. I have it just in clearance light only. So, yeah, front marker light. That one's out still. We're gonna bulb. We'll check on that. I have the key on. The door jar. Is the door jar light on? Oh, turn the key on, Andre. Please. Turn the key just
Oh, these gauges are cool.
I know, right? All right.
Yeah,
The door jar light come on? Yep. Close that door for me. I want to see if it goes off.
Which is the door jar?
The little red light with the fuel. No. Okay, that didn't go off either. So we get to chase that little bit of wiring. But
Oh, okay. There, I see it. That's just like on my 70s.
cow, we made it. We've gotten...
God, that looks cool.
It's neat, isn't it? It's like Knight Rider, only not Knight Rider. So Andre, you want to turn the key off for me? I'll unhook the battery, and then I can start checking and chasing wire. But holy hell, we got gauges, boys, and tack signal worked. We saw that.
Yep. That's amazing. I mean,
So, and we got to finish our fuel line up here too. But other than that, I think we're doing pretty good. All right, so you have the key off, yeah, everybody?
Yeah, I turned the key off.
All right. Progress.
like it.
Needed a little break for New Year's, a little Christmas, New Year's break. Get your brain back in it, back in the action.